Here we go. Today is December 16th. They are 2 weeks yesterday. And this is my little daughter with the black boy here. Put it sideways. Sideways? Yes, look at that. They're 3 pounds and some of them are a little bitty over 3 pounds. Okay, another one. And there you go. That's all of them there. They're out of their bed. Mama? Okay, that's yellow plain girl because she has no collar. And okay, that's your baby. Perfect. Okay, let me see the tail. Show the tail. Whoosh, beautiful. Okay, put it back. Okay, who we got? Faster. And that's green girl. The other yellow girl, but she has a yellow ribbon. I mean a green ribbon. She's the same size as the other one, so they're identical. Okay, put it back. Perfect. And who's that?
I don't know.
That's another girl. And that's another beautiful girl. And this ribbon is, the color is yellow purple. I didn't have too many colors and markers, so that's yellow and purple girl. Beautiful, same size as the other one. They're all identical. Okay. Okay. Mama's here taking a break. Ooh, that's mommy. Okay, who we got there? That's red girl. That's red girl. Ooh, look at that baby. Sideways. Ooh, look at that. She's beautiful. She's big too. So big. They're all the same. Oops. Sorry about that. Faster. Who we got there? Who we got there? That's who? Yellow girl? That's yellow ribbon girl. She's black. That's beautiful girl. Sideways again. The tail there. Look at that. Okay, put her back. And who we got there? Careful. Okay, they're heavy. Who's that there? Who's that little ribbon thing? The elastic? It's purple girl. Okay. There you go. That's purple girl. Sideways. Yeah, all identical. Same size. Okay. Put that one back. Who are we missing? I think we're missing green, yellow.
Green, yellow,
yeah. Yeah, yellow, green. Green, yellow. What's the little color in the elastic?
She has her eyes open.
Yeah, some of them are opening the eyes already. You just can't tell because they're all black. But some of them are opening eyes already. Sideways. Look at that, the tail. Perfect. Okay. There you go. Put them back. You got them all?
I think so.
Yeah, right?
I think so. I don't know.
You getting all? Okay. It's just only one boy, 5 black girls, and 2 yellow girls.
Yeah, those are all.
Okay. You're out of the bed. That's kind of mommy's blanket. That's yellow ribbon. And they're all my daughter's favorites. Okay, and this is their bed. This is where they sleep with mommy. See, they're inside the room. We keep them in the spare room in the house. That's kind of like my bed there. And that's where mommy watches TV and mommy dog and myself. That's where we watch TV when I'm watching babies. Okay, you can put the babies back. Let's put them back in their bed. Okay. Okay. That's where mommy's gonna go and feed them again. So that's where they sleep with mommy. Well, I hope you have enjoyed your little video of your babies. And we'll make another video next week when they turn 3 weeks. Bye.